Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Beginner's Guide to Boarding an International Flight. Embark on your global adventure with confidence using this beginner's guide to boarding an international flight. Learn essential steps, from check-in and security procedures to navigating the terminal. Discover tips for a smooth experience, ensuring you're well prepared for your journey beyond borders. Bon voyage awaits. Here is a beginner's guide to boarding an international flight. Preparing for your flight. Check your passport expiration date. Most countries require 6 months validity beyond your travel dates. Ensure you have proper visas if needed. Print out your boarding pass and flight itinerary once you have checked in online. Pack light research baggage allowances and avoid extra fees. Be mindful of liquid restrictions. Arrive at the airport 2-3 hours before an international departure time. This gives adequate time for longer security processes. Checking in at the airport. Look for airline check-in counters or self-service kiosks to check in if you haven't done so online. Print your boarding passes. Ensure passport control officials review and stamp your documents if traveling internationally. Clear security and have your carry-on bags screened. Be prepared to remove shoes, liquids, laptops. Locate your departure gate by checking airport monitors and your boarding passes. Proceed there 1-2 hours pre-departure. Boarding the aircraft. Have your boarding pass and passport ready to present to airline agents before entering the jetway. Stow carry-on bags in overhead bins or under seats. Avoid blocking aisles. Take your assigned seat and fasten your seat belt immediately. Await further safety instructions. Set watch to destination time zone. Prepare immigration, customs forms if provided during flight. Be courteous to fellow passengers and flight attendants by keeping your area tidy. Follow all instructions from the cabin crew, such as remaining seated or wearing seat belts at appropriate times. Let me know if you need any clarification or have additional questions. Have a safe trip. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.